The role of angels and demons. Today, so what roles do angels and demons play in our lives today? The Bible suggests that angels remain active in the world, watching over and sometimes intervening to protect us. Psalm 91:11 says, "For he will command his angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways." Many people find comfort in believing that they have a guardian angel, a personal protector who watches over them and offers guidance in times of need. Demons, on the other hand, work in opposition to God's purpose. Their goal is to influence humanity, sometimes through subtle temptations or even more direct means. They seek to disrupt our relationship with God and lead us astray. But here's the good news. The Bible assures us that, as believers, we have the tools to stand against these forces. James 4:7 encourages us with the words, "Resist the devil, and he will flee from you." Through prayer, faith, and God's protection, we're equipped to withstand and overcome these challenges. Final outcome. The Bible also reveals that this cosmic struggle has an end. In the book of Revelation, God promises a day of final judgment when evil will be defeated once and for all. Angels are described as playing an essential role in this ultimate victory, joining with God to bring about justice and eternal peace. The end of this story is one of hope, a reminder that, though we may face spiritual battles, God's power is far greater than any force of darkness. In the end, the message is clear. Angels are powerful allies, and demons are determined adversaries. But God's strength surpasses them all. We are part of a larger story, one that reminds us that in the end, good will triumph over evil. Through our faith and the support of these heavenly beings, we can find courage and hope in knowing that we're never alone. Thank you for joining us on Bible Light today as we explored the truth about angels and demons. If this video has sparked questions or helped deepen your understanding of the spiritual world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Stay tuned for more insights as we uncover the mysteries of the Bible together, and remember, the light always shines in the darkness.